of the team one, and Priyanshu and Sachin will present do's and don'ts for the topic, and Priyanshu will carry on from here. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Priyanshu, and I am presenting those of Chartered Accountant articleship. So here we go. The first one is one should that the article should always be on time. That he should be there at the office on time. Then he should maintain discipline and decorum at the office, and he should wear a proper professional attire, and the language that the professional formal communication should be used, and in the article should avoid using rough language at the office, and then it should maintain silence at the office, and then there should be not a lot of personal calls and personal work in the office. Then one should try to maintain healthy relationship with the fellow articles, and then maintain professional learning environment, and then keep a working devices and workplace neat and clean. That's all. Then here I request Sachin to present the don'ts of the fellow topic. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. I am Sachin Rathod. I am here to present the don'ts of CA articleship. First, we don't have a college life. We have seen in movies where we will show the colorful life in the college, but in reality, attending classes, we don't get that feeling. Waking up early in the morning. Third, losing our best friend. Fourth, tremendous pressure. We won't be have a pressure from within ourselves, but we will immense pressure from relatives and neighbors. Fifth point, by doing CA articleship, we cannot make balance between the family and office. Thank you. And I invite team 2. Hello.
So shall we start? Group team 2. Sir.
Yes, मैंने मना किया था यार आपको पूछने के लिए.
Okay. So good afternoon all of you. So we have two contestants that are Ruhi, who will tell us the do's, and we have Homi, who will tell us the don'ts. So here they are.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ruhi Agrawal. I am presenting do's for CA articles in office. First thing, reach the office on time. Second, greet everyone in the office. Proper discipline should be maintained. General or routine work should be discussed in public, but for urgent work, there should be maintained an isolated room. Workplace should be kept neat and clean. Be in proper attire and use proper language in the office. Maintain good communication with your fellow articles. Do network with people outside your cubicle. Always be willing to help out your co-workers. Now I will ask Homi to present don'ts.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. This is Homi Sachdev, and I am here to present don'ts for office etiquettes. Don't peep into others' cubicles and workspaces, and don't open anyone else's notepad registers or files without his permission. Don't bring your emotions into the office. And fifth, don't be afraid to any ask question. Don't talk back to your boss. Don't attend meeting and seminar without a notepad and pen. And the last but not the least, never criticize or make fun of any of your colleagues. Thank you, sir.
So now we are team number 3rd.
As a leader of team 3, I would like to call Bobby Parekh to speak on don'ts of CA articleship, and then afterwards Harpreet Kaur to speak on don'ts of RC articleship.
Hello everyone. Here I am presenting do's of a good article. You should always be punctual for your work. Be always on time. You should use your formal language to communicate. There should be a proper manner to communicate. Your instrument should be properly allocated. Always be attentive and provide feedback. Always carry sanitizer and mask along with you. Share the credit for good work. Respect your colleague. Keep your workplace clean. always maintain a formal attire, and you should dress properly. Thank you. I'm asking Harpreet to tell about the don'ts.
Hello everyone, I'm Harpreet Kaur Rajpal. I'm speaking on don'ts for CA articleship. First, articleship should not use fancy ringtones for mobile, should avoid taking personal call at the desk. Article should not talk in rough and loud voice. Third, do not unnecessarily indulge in gossip and rumors. Fourth, don't indulge in unofficial talks during office hours. Don't share confidential information about the clients. Sixth, don't get too personal at work. Don't eat smelly food. Avoid using social media during office hours. And last, don't interrupt your colleagues. Now I'm inviting team 4.
Hello everyone, afternoon. This is Team 4 and here we are to tell us the office etiquettes. Ritu Kumari will lead the do's and followed by Ayush for the don'ts. Ritu, you may proceed.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Ritu Kumari, and I am going to represent about a CA article etiquette. We should always be on time and should be in the proper format and should use a proper language while talking and any discussion. Phone should be on silent and should do a teamwork and should work as per the rules of office, and we should be allocated a proper system to all and don't don't use any system. We should don't use any other system and should maintain a professionalism in the office. A person sharing any view must feel free, and if you have any ideas or solution, then must tell, and if you don't have any, then don't waste the time of others. Simply accept that you don't know. Thank you.
Good morning all, this is Ayush Agarwal and I will be presenting my team 4 in discussing the topic of what what a CA professional should avoid during articleship. And I continue, don't be late in your office, don't use informal language while in office, and don't be rude while talking with your colleagues, don't be too lazy, don't use social media while at work, don't keep the workplace you are working in very dirty, don't attend too many personal calls while at work, don't keep your ringtone very loud, don't interrupt your colleagues or disturb their privacy, and last but not least, don't indulge or be part of any gossip during in office. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Atul and I am representing Team 5. And here is the topic for do's for articles is represented by Shreya Agrawal. Shreya.
Good evening, sir. I am Shreya Agrawal and I am presenting do's of CA articleship in office. Maintain good communication with other. Proper discipline and decorum of the office should be maintained. Proper etiquettes for example, coming office on time, coming office on formals, that is proper dressing should be maintained. We should use formal language, that is rough language should not be used. We should be punctual, loyal to the office. We should keep our phone silent while in the office. We should talk politely. And if you don't have any solution, then just tell we don't know. And don't linger on and don't take the person into the false confidence that, okay, we will do. Simply tell we don't know and accept the truth. Thank you.
Hello, this is Akhil. Here are certain don'ts while we are in articleships, so that not to be in office late in office, not to perform any unusual activity while performing our job, and not to perform strange or unethical ringtones. Instead, we should keep our cell phones in a silent mode and avoid using rough language. Much of the personal interaction with others should be avoided. Not to take responsibility so casually, instead perform our task with efficient manner. Avoid personal call while we are in work. Don't disrespect the seniors, and not to be egoistic behavior towards others. Thank you.
Okay, thank you from Team 5 and now referring to Team 6.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Team 6. Tanmay will lead us about do's and followed by Vinayak, who will lead us about don't of etiquettes of CA articles. Tanmay, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Tanmay Agrawal. I am here to discuss about the do's in the CA articleship period. First one, good communication should be there. Second, phone should be silent. Third point, discipline should be maintained. Fourth point, formal language should be used. Fifth point, proper hygiene should be maintained. Sixth point, students should be positive while they are working. Seventh point, don't hesitate to talk to people. 8 point, listening and communication skills should be improved during articleship period. 9 point, maintain a diary and record the work done by you in your office every day. 10th point, try communicating in English with all those who can. Now I would like to hand over to Vinay Gupta for don'ts.
Good afternoon, everyone. I will present the don'ts in the CA's office. So first point goes as minimum noise should be there. The phone should be silent. Don't be late to the office. Use formal language. Don't use informal language. This will only hamper your image and career in the office. Don't waste time on mobile phones or social media applications. Attend the clients and fellow clients sincerely sitting next to you in the office. Don't do false reporting. Manipulation should not be done while dealing with the clients or the principals. Don't overwork during initial joining days. Try to observe and understand the environment during the initial days of joining office. Never ever fault on your deliverable in your work. This will only hamper your career, but also your self-confidence. Don't try to work unnecessarily from home, as this may hamper your second office. Never say no to your boss. I repeat, never. Wear formal attire as far possible. Thank you.
Thank you, and I would like to invite Team 7.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Akash Agrawal, captain of Team 7, and I would like to invite Vitik and Ashi for presenting do's and don'ts of office etiquettes.
Hello everyone, I am Vitik and I am presenting do's for a proper article. An article should be punctual. He should come and leave office on time. He should be disciplined. He should be friendly with with the fellow articles. He should think like a team. Articleship. He should be think like a team. He should be responsible for his work. He should keep his surroundings neat and clean. He should not. He should be polite. He should consult his boss whenever needed. He should be in a proper working attire, and he should express his views whenever needed and consult the boss. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ashi Agrawal, here to speak on don'ts in articleship. Don't gossip. Don't raise your voice. Don't waste time. Don't be inconsistent. Do not resist changes. And don't be unprofessional. Don't be uninterested. Don't be unfriendly. And don't be unethical. Thank you.
I would like to invite teammate for presenting do's and don'ts. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is teammate, and from my team, Nisha will tell you about the do's in CA articleship, and Harsh will tell you about the don'ts in CA articleship. Nisha, start.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Nisha Raj, and I will present here do's of articles. First one is always greet your colleagues and seniors. Second point, keep your personal and professional life separate. Next point, keep your workplace clean as it will help everyone. Next point, respect each other's privacy at the office. Fifth point, always adhere to the code of conduct of the office. Example, always keep your phone on silent, must be on time, and don't be late, etc. Sixth point, always maintain a formal attire and be well groomed. Seventh point, always be attentive and give feedback. If you have any suggestions in any do give a point, and if someone is asking you anything and you don't have answer, then simply tell I'm unable to do. 8th point, give respect to seniors and talk politely with fellow articles. 9th point, have proper file management. Don't 10th point, be confident while putting your point of view. 11th point, respect deadlines. Thank you. And I will request Harsh to continue with don'ts of articles.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Harsh Agrawal, and I will explain about don'ts of articleship firm. First point, don't be late to office. Do not use rough language. Do not blame anyone unnecessary. Avoid taking personal calls at workplace. Don't use fancy ringtone. Avoid doing personal tasks during office work. Wear formal attire as far as possible. Don't open anyone files without permission. Don't be make fun of anyone mistakes. Don't be afraid to ask any question. Thank you.
Now I will request Team 9 to continue.
Hello everyone, this is Bhavesh Agrawal, captain of Team 9. I will invite Srishti Rathore for do's of C articleship and Shivangi Chauhan for don'ts of articleship. Srishti, please continue.
Sir, my name is Srishti Rathore. I represent do's of CA article. First, do maintain client information confidential. Do follow entities policy strictly. Otherwise, heavy penalty should be imposed. Attend person within a time. Do work according to the authority or authority given to them. Do sit at your respective place. Do maintain discipline. Be punctual. Silent your phone while working. Friendly with employees. I request Shivangi to represent don'ts. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Shivangi Chauhan and I'm representing don'ts of CA articles. Don't be late. Don't be disrespectful to anyone in the offices. No personal work should be done during working hours. Don't share confidential information about your clients to anybody. Mobile phones ringtones should not be loud or fancy ringtones, and no health hazards. No informal language should be done, and rough language should not be used. Informal dress up should not be done. Thank you.
I will
invite
Team 10.
Team 10.
Good morning, everyone. This is Team 10, and from our team, Sanstha and Dipali will represent do's and don'ts about office etiquettes. Sanstha, continue.
Hello everyone, I am Sanskar Nahata. I am telling you do's for CA articles in the office. Firstly, come office on time, be punctual for the time. Second, friendly with the new employee. Third, article should make minimum noise and should maximum work should be done. Fourth, proper professional attire. Fifth, phone should be on silent. Sixth, discipline and decorum should be maintained in the office. Seventh, proper dress up and formal language should be used. Eighth, desirable behavior should be maintained in the office. Ninth, article should be positive for every work. And 10th, office should be made neat and clean. Thank you. I'm Dipali Kukreja will tell us don't for the C article.
Good afternoon, myself Dipali Kukreja, and the don'ts for C articleship are: don't use informal language or rough language. Don't be late at your office. Don't take personal calls in office. No personal work should be done in office premises. The workstation should not be dirty, and the files should not be covered with dust. Do not give false commitments to complete a deadline if you lack confidence. Don't waste time, as time is very essential. Don't share any client details to any other person. Thank you.
Now I would Sir, all teams have performed. Sir,